Add paging to the previous exercise by adding next previous anchors below the table. Take a page size of let us say 7. Previous link should be disabled on the first page, whereas the next should be disabled on the last page. Use suitable CSS to disable an anchor link. So let us have a look at the solution first, like what we want to show in this case. So if you run the solution, you will see that this is the link for insert 10 random records. This is from the previous tutorial, previous exercise. And in this exercise, we have added the number of records. This is displayed how many records are there at present. And as you can see on the first page, this previous link is disabled and next link is clicked. Both are enabled, next link is clicked, and on the last 20th record, the next link is disabled and previous. This all works. So this is what we want, and let us see how we can do it. First of all, I'll take you to the Solution Explorer. There we added the models folder in the previous tutorial. The context was also done, but now we have made changes to the razor page and its backing class. So we will start with the razor page index.cshtml, and here you can see that this is the page directive, this is the namespace for this index model class, and this is the style, the CSS that I have added here itself. This CSS, it contains a CSS class for the disabled property of an anchor. You can have a look at this later on. This is the add tag helper for the proper functioning of the anchors. And this is your seed data. This is what we have already done in the previous exercise. And in this exercise, we have added this number of records model.total records. So this is what actually displays